MBK versus the Blizzards.
Let him go, let him go, let him go, let him go.
Oh, Fudge with the tip, Juan with the steal. Over to Ricky. Ricky with a 2-point try, misses. Fudge is on the floor. Jump ball. Ricky bombs. Boom. It's 3. Fudge with a deflection, Juan with the steal. Juan's got to lay that up. Oh, misses. Juan goes back, Javen with the steal over to Fudge. Fudge makes moves, scoops, that's 2. This team actually beat MBK by 20 points. A year or so back. MBK is a different team today. Blizzards don't take the shot. She'll close out. 3-point try by the Blizzards. They're on the board, 3-5. MBK is up. Tobias to Ricky. Ricky's gonna shoot again. Got it again. Ricky's heating up. Your way, ref. Somebody's bringing it back. Over to Javen in the middle. Ricky got another shot. He missing. Quick shot by Ricky. He misses everything. Oh, we're starting to get into Fudge is out. Sean's in. Ricky with the Tobias with the rebound. Pushes the ball up court with an easy 2, misses. Tobias with the poke. Juan with the steal. Tobias tested it. Sean. Oh, gets poked, but Sean's back up. Sean's going after the ball. Gets fouled. Tobias with 3-point try. Misses. Javen with a steal. Sean's got a look, doesn't take it. Juan gets the ball back out to Ricky. Ricky shoots. Oh, in and out. Oh, easy 2. Blizzard's got an easy 2. 8-8. Ricky's going to not shoot. Back over to Juan. Juan's pulling. Oh, he misses everything. Ricky got to track that down. Sean with the ball, making moves in the middle, floater. Oh, floater misses. Sean, nice. Okay, Sean. Sean closes out. Oh, he's harassing. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh, another deuce by the Blizzards. They go up 10-8. MBK's got to find the easy one. Sean's got to look. He's in the middle. Set a pick, set a pick. Ricky's got a three-point try. Misses. That was steal. You got to push the ball up court. Tobias is in there with a nice two. Nice finish. Javen's got to rebound it. Yes, he gets it. Tobias bringing it up court. Over to Ricky. Ricky back to Tobias. Tobias to Sean. Sean's going to pull. Got it. Footman with a three. 13-10 MBK. Tobias with another pick. Okay, Juan with the jump ball. Going Blues away. Tobias with a nice defense. Gotta have help close out. Oh. Comes Tobias. Tobias over to Ricky. Ricky makes some moves. He's in the middle. He's gonna get fouled. Should be going to the free throw line for two. Ricky misses the first one. Travis in for Javen. Ricky flicks in the second one. (14-12), MBK up. Sean reaches. Oh, nice defense, MBK. Get another strip. Hands everywhere. MBK is everywhere. He can't find nobody to get to. Juan. Nice steal over to Tobias. Juan with the assist. Good defense, boys. Tobias, oh. This is the steal. Sean allows, oh, Sean with the rebound. Over to Tobias for another two. Oh. Uriah coming in for Juan. Tobias splashes in the free throw. MBK up 18. 12, 19-12 in this first half. Uriah Wade's coming in for some more defense. Number 11 makes a quick move and he's to the bucket. Ricky shoots. Oh. Travis with the rebound over to Sean. Sean surveys this. He's going to take it himself. Nice move. Sean got 2. Oh. 14-21.
Attack the bucket. Win this game. Stop it. It is what it is. They can't stop it. Get to the paint. You know what I'm saying? They down 7. We want to make sure we get good shots from now from here on out. Stick with man.
Let's go white. Let's go black. Yes,
Games on 3. 1, 2, 3. Games.
Oh, Ricky with the steal. Oh, he loses it. Oh, Uriah with his poke out. Nice defense. Travis with the rebound. Sean make moves. Oh my God. Sean tips it out for the rebound. Travis for the 3. Oh, misses. Travis with another rebound. Ricky for a 3. Got it. MBK 24-14. Sean with the rebound. Sees Travis in the Right into Tobias. Tobias is gonna hold the ball until somebody comes pressure him. He's gonna do work. Over to Ricky. Ricky pump fakes. Sean has the ball in the middle and he's fouled. Tobias does work. Over to Ricky. Ricky back to Tobias. Sean with a nice move. Sean Footman. Defense. Oh, Ricky. We don't get it, but great hands. Travis with a foul. Uriah for 3, misses. Sean with the easy 2, misses. Tobias with the rebound. Over to Uriah, who's gonna pull it. Got it. Juice with 3. Tobias tracks down another rebound. Oh, he turns it over. Oh, Tobias with a contest, but the ball goes in. 18-29, MBK. Footman. Oh, Footman doing work. Oh, Javen contests. Tobias with the rebound. Pushes up court. Got some move. Oh, that was a foul, but no. Travis gonna pull. 3, got it. Oh, nice defense. I'll take that all day. Raya with the rebound. Raya pushes up. He sees Tobias. He doesn't pass it to him. He got him now. Tobias for 3. Misses. Oh, Sean with an amazing block. Sean's gonna probably have to close out this half. Sean over to Tobias. Sean, close it out, Sean. Close it out, Sean. Close it out, Sean. (36-23). MBK is controlling the ball for the second half. Juan throws a crazy pass over to Ricky, and Ricky can't control it. Juan with a nice defensive try. MBK's game still on defense. Good hands. Javen with the rebound. Over to Fudge. Fudge pushes up to Ricky. Oh. Ricky back out to Tobias. Cameron's gonna stroll in for Ricky taking the 3. Fudge with the rebound. Back to Ricky. Easy 2. Good pass by Fudge. Juan's cranking up on defense here. Tobias closes out. Oh, Juan almost, his hands just in the way. That's what defense looks like. What defense looks like. Oh, don't get a steal, but very tough defense. Fudge closes out. Oh, Tobias for the rip. Oh, Ricky with the rebound. Juan's gonna take his time, coach says. Over to Ricky. Fudge for 3. Got it. 41-23 MBK. Oh. Fudge with the rebound, he pushes it over to Ricky. Ricky gets to the cup, oh, throws it up. Fudge with the rebound. Javen, oh, what the? Javen does not make the easy pass to pass it back out. But Javen's fouled and going to the free throw line. Javen misses the first one. Oh, way off. Javen splashes the second one. Timeout Blizzards. MBK is dominating on the defensive end and offensive end. Javen with good defense. Fudge with the steal. Sees Ricky up court. Gets it to him. Oh, Ricky with the miss. Ricky with the rebound. Oh, terrible pass. Juan with the harassing defense. Juan with the rebound. Pushes the ball. Ricky's got a three-point try. Oh, misses. Tobias with the rebound. Easy two. Got it. Rebound Tobias. Pushes up court. Slows it down. Sees Ricky. Back to Tobias. Misses. Fudge with the deflection. Tobias with a steal. And there's a substitution. 2 points was made by the Blizzards. Javen with the foul. Eight minutes, 45 seconds left in the game. 46-26 MBK. Juan surveys, makes a move, makes another move. Juan gets to where he wants to, he loses the ball though. Juan with the rebound. Over to Ricky. Ricky to Javen with a nice two. Nice pass, Ricky. Oh, nice hands by Ricky. Fudge with the steal over to Tobias, who takes a dribble and gets a 2-point try. Tobias hits the first one. Javen goes out. Ricky goes out. Sean comes in. Travis comes in. Do work, boy. Let's go. Hands. Good hands. Fudge to Travis. Travis misses, gets the rebound. Fudge. Oh, misses the reverse layup. Uriah comes in for Tobias. Terrible pass, but Sean still controls it. Juan has the ball. Over to Fudge. Fudge out to Sean. Back out to Juan. Juan's going to attack. Pulls it back out to Sean. Sean gets a screen by for Travis. Sean goes all the way in. Fade away. Misses. Sean with an open three, misses. Fudge with the rebound. Back out to Juan. Juan's gonna pull, misses. 5 minutes, 20 seconds left in the game. MBK is looking to close out this game. Tobias Grant with the ball. He's gonna make moves. Some additional moves, 3-4 moves. He's to the cup. Oh, he misses the two. $37-49. Sean making moves. He throws out to Tobias. Tobias, one step and he's to the cup. Fudge with the scoop and two. Stops the run. Ricky with the rebound. And it's fouled. Oh, Sean with a terrible pass. Fudge with the rebound. Penetrates the middle. He misses a while too. Oh. Tobias misses the first one. Gets the second one. Tobias, oh, what a nice contested. Bias will be shooting the technical. Misses the second one. On. About to lose it. Lose it to Ricky. Ricky's gonna ball goes back out. MBK is only up by 13. 2 minutes left in the game. Ricky Wood, no steal. Blizzard's gonna have a nope. We'll pull it back out, no shot. Sean with a jump ball, he gets it. Sean with a nice steal. He's making moves mid-court, loses the ball. Oh, almost loses his arm. Less than a minute left. $55-43. Tobias hits the second one. 56-43. Seconds, 37 seconds left in the game. 43-56. Bias back at the line. Misses the first one. Juan with a nice play. Okay, 56-43.